Hello IBM Z. We are Team Sinister Six, and this is our project for the Datathon. Welcome to the jungle of legalese. Legal documents in India are packed with long sentences, archaic words, heavy jargon. Hereinafter aforesaid notwithstanding turns simple promises into brain twisters. Tiny font complex clauses, pages of cross-references, and suddenly you need a lawyer just to understand your own rights. That confusion costs time, money, confidence. People delay decisions, miss deadlines, or sign things they don't fully grasp. The fix? Plain language, short sentences, clear headings, simple summary up front. Imagine a one-page plain English digest that tells you what matters, what you can do next. Law shouldn't be a secret code. Readable, usable, fair. That's our Datathon pitch. Turn legalese into plain talk so everyone can understand what they're signing.
So hello everyone. So I will tell about my project. So the main purpose of this project is it takes a legal document that is a plain text file and generates a concise structured summary in bullet points. It specifically focuses on parties involved, disputes, claims and resolution. So now I would like to tell about the highlights of the project. The key highlights are: first, it uses a BART model for summarization, and second, it handles long legal document by splitting into chunks, and third, it produces clean bullet point output suitable for quick review, and it's focused specifically on legal information, that is parties, disputes, claims and resolution. So now we'll look into the code part of the project. So the first is we import a pipeline and we also import RE. So the main thing about this is, so it is the transfers.pipeline is used to load a pre-trained summarization model, and RE is used for splitting text into sentences for formatting. So next you can see this the def function. So it takes file path as argument, that is it takes input from the user and just break down into small chunks so that it can be understood. And next, coming to the summarize legal document file path. So what it does is, the legal document can be very long, so the model works best on chunks characters. So we'll split text by sentences and group sentences into chunks. And next, coming to the result. So what the result does is, so all chunks summarized are joined into one large summary. And next, coming to the format as bullet points. So bullet underscore summary, you can see, so it splits the text into sentences and prepends each with a bullet. So now coming to the main execution part of the program, that is file underscore path. So it takes input as the file path in .txt form, and it prompts the user for a file path. It calls the summarization function and it prints the structured bullet point summary. To how we will execute the model. So first we will open the terminal and write, that is python space test3.py. Will ask to enter the text file path. So first you have to go to the location where the legal document is saved, and then you have to copy the file path, that is copy as path, control plus shift plus C, and then you have to paste it in the terminal. And so now it is generating the structured summary, as you can see here, and it takes some time. As you can see, it's compiling. So now you can, so now you can see that we got the legal summary that is in the bullet point. So what is it did is that it converted into a small concise form in the bullet points manner. So you can see this is the file we gave as input, so which consisted of 707 characters. And now as we can see in the output, so this is in a summarized manner and it got converted into bullet points. So it is successfully compiled and converted into small bullet points. So thank you very much.